kids! Are you ready to learn about the Earth, the Moon, and the solar system? Let's go!
Let's start with rotation. Rotation is when a planet rotates on its axis.
Learning's a slam dunk.
Mr. Hauge, how many times does the Earth rotate on its axis then? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.
Well, the answer isn't in the middle of a Tootsie Pop. It takes the Earth 24 hours to make a full rotation on its axis. Next, let's talk about revolution. Revolution is when a planet revolves around another planet. Imagine that this quarter is the Earth. That black hole in the middle is the Sun. The quarter revolves around that black hole. Luckily, though, our Earth doesn't get that close to the Sun, otherwise it'd get really hot.
Why is it so hot?
One of these days, Alice, bang, zoom, straight to the moon.
You're right, Archie. Let's talk about the 8 phases of the moon next. Let's imagine this circle of cheese is a full moon.
This is a waxing crescent. Waxing means we see more than we would in a waning, and crescent is not only the shape, but means we see 1/3 of the moon lit up. Next, we have a first quarter moon. First quarter moon is when the moon is half lit up, and is the first time we see the moon half lit after the new moon. Next, we have the waxing gibbous. Waxing means we still see more of the moon and that the full moon is approaching. Gibbous is when we see more than 3/4 of the moon lit up. After the full moon comes the waning gibbous. Waning means we see less than we do when it's waxing, and gibbous means we still see 3/4 of the moon. After the waning gibbous comes the third quarter moon. Third quarter is the second time we see the moon half lit up. It means that the new moon is arriving. Next we have the waning crescent. Waning means we see less than we do when it's waxing, and crescent is its shape and means we see less than 1/3 of the moon lit up. Finally is the new moon. The new moon is when no part of the moon is visible to us.
Hey students, I hope you learned a lot about our Earth and Moon. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a lot.